Hi guys, do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates of new videos from Swati Life and Style.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox Glamego Box for the month of April 2018. And friends, just look at the box. It's really cute, no? Very summerish, and it feels very sturdy as well. Here's a magnetic closure that's quite impressive. I can store makeup or jewelry into it, what say? And friends, in this month's Glamego Box, we are getting 5 products. I just love this box. It's so affordable and quality-wise awesome. You have to pay just ₹299 per box if you subscribe for 12 months. And we are getting products worth ₹1800 and shipping is also free. Okay, so now let me quickly show you what I have got in this month's Glamego Box. And here's a card inside the box. It says Summer Skincare, products with SPF and sun protection. And all the details about the products, price and everything are mentioned here. Okay, so the first product is the Tjori Anti-Tan Treatment. It's a face pack. It's priced at ₹525 for 50 gram of product. And friends, the very first thing I can notice about this is its smell. I can smell it without opening the container. It's absolutely herbal and I am loving it. It contains wild raw turmeric with natural essential oils, and it says that it's a natural sun defense that forms a beautiful shield on the skin that reverses the effect of skin damaging free radicals, perfect for the summers. And you can use it by mixing with plain water or rose water. Apply all over the face and neck, let it dry and then wash off. Next comes the lip smacking one. It's a lip moisturizer by Island Kiss, and this product was nominated for Eminent Vogue Beauty Awards 2018. I received the shade Birthsuit Nude, and it's a very light nude pinky color, perfect for my liking. And it has SPF 15 as well, which is the most important thing during summers. It retails for ₹399 and we are getting 14 gram of product. And guys, this one also smells so delicious, exactly like vanilla cupcakes. And it's a 100% organic and cruelty-free product, so it's absolutely safe to use on your lips. The next product is a makeup product and it's by NELF USA. It's a compact powder and my shade is Ivory 02. Actually, you will have to select your shade before ordering the box, and this is a nice compact. It gives light to medium coverage, so it's perfect for everyday use. And it contains SPF 18 as well. It's oil free and very lightweight, but at the same time it's not very drying, so can be used by dry skinned ladies also. The price of this compact is ₹350 for 9 gram of product. Okay, so the fourth product is the Gold Facial Kit by Vedic line. I have used Vedic line products earlier and they were really good. Vedic line manufactures Ayurvedic products, and this facial kit claims to give luster and glow to your skin. It's enriched with benefits of gold and saffron, and this is a 6-step facial kit. It contains cleanser, scrub, cream, massage gel, face pack and moisture serum. And the procedure is mentioned at the back of the box. I love gold facials, so I am really looking forward to use this facial kit, and it's priced at ₹350. And now it's time for the surprise product. It's a clarifying sea clay face mask by Natural Bath and Body. Sea clay face mask is best suitable for combination to oily skin. It will clarify your skin very nicely and will give you a fresh feeling. Use this twice a week. Apply all over the face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off. This one is priced at ₹150 and it's a 20 ml sample sized tube. Actually, this product is a summer treat by Glamego. So guys, with that I come to an end of this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye.